Hello guys, how are you everyone? I hope you all are doing well. I am Fozia Fatma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fozia Fatma Official. Today, once again, I am present here with the same topic which we covered in my previous session, such as phrasal verbs. So, let's understand how to use phrasal verbs in conversation. So, let's start without any delay. Let's see the first one. Get along with. Get along with. Okay, it's mean in Hindi to be um, harmonious, harmonious terms with someone, terms with someone. Okay, it's mean in Hindi किसी के साथ किसी के साथ सौहार्दपूर्ण संबंध रखना, सौहार्दपूर्ण कंपैटिबल संबंध रखना. Okay. Let's understand how to use it in sentence. My dog gets along with everyone. Everyone, as long as as long as they they are not a cat. My dog gets along with everyone as long as they are not a cat. It's mean in Hindi. मेरा कुत्ता सभी के साथ तब तक अच्छे से रहता है, अच्छा व्यवहार करता है, जब तक कि वो बिल्ली ना हो. ओके, लेट्स सी द सेकंड वन. Get across. Get across. Okay, let's see the meaning. To successfully communicate. Successfully communicate. Communicate or explain something, or explain something. Okay, to successfully communicate or explain something, it's mean in Hindi किसी बात को सफलतापूर्वक समझाना, बताना, एक्सप्लेन करना। किसी बात को सफलता सफलतापूर्वक करना, कम्युनिकेट करना या समझाना या एक्सप्लेन करना। ओके, let's understand how to use this phrasal verb in sentence. The professor spoke for hours but they didn't get anything across to the student. Across to the students. The professor spoke for hours, but they didn't get anything across to the student. It's mean in Hindi. प्रोफेसर ने घंटों तक बात की, घंटों तक समझाया, लेकिन छात्रों को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. They didn't get anything across to the student. The next one is count on. It's mean to rely or depend on someone or something. Okay, to rely or depend on someone or something. It's mean in Hindi किसी पर निर्भर होना या किसी चीज़ पर भरोसा करना. ओके, किसी पर डिपेंड होना, निर्भर होना. ओके, और यू कैन से किसी पर भरोसा करना. Let's understand how to use this phrasal verb in sentence. If I am ever making a mistake, I can count on my friends to warn me. If I am ever making a mistake, I can count on my friends to warn me. It's mean in Hindi, अगर मैं कभी गलती कर रहा हूँ तो अपने दोस्तों पर भरोसा कर सकता हूँ कि वे मुझे चेतावनी देंगे. माई फ्रेंड टू वॉर्न मी कि वे मुझे चेतावनी देंगे. ओके. The next one is fall apart. Apart. Okay. It's mean to break into pieces. To break into pieces. Okay. To break into pieces. It's mean in Hindi खराब होना या टुकड़ों में टूट जाना. तोड़ना. Or you can say खराब होना. Let's understand how to use this phrasal verb in sentence. My new dress. My new dress. My new dress completely completely fell apart fell apart after just two washes. Two washes. Okay. My new dress completely fell apart after just two washes. It's mean in Hindi मेरी नई ड्रेस केवल 2 बार धोने के बाद पूरी तरह खराब हो गई. फेल अपार्ट खराब हो गई. ओके. द नेक्स्ट वन इज गेट अराउंड. Get around. Okay. It's me to travel from place to place. From place to place. Okay. It's mean in हिंदी एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान यात्रा करना. एक स्थान से एक स्थान से प्लेस टू प्लेस. एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तक यात्रा करना. ट्रेवल यात्रा करना. Okay. To travel from place to place, let's understand how to use it in sentence. In the city, it's impossible to get around without a car. Without a car. Okay. In this city, it's impossible to get around without a car. It's mean in Hindi इस शहर में बिना कार के घूमना इम्पॉसिबल असंभव है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज होल्ड बैक. होल्ड बैक. इट्स मीन To prevent someone from doing something, from doing something, from doing something. Okay, it's mean in Hindi किसी को कुछ करने से रोकना, prevent. Okay, let's understand how to use it in sentence. I wanted to, I wanted to become a doctor, become a doctor, doctor, but my bad grades, grades held me back, held me back. Okay, I wanted to become a doctor, but my bad grades held me back. It's mean in Hindi, मैं एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहता था बट माई बैड ग्रेड्स हेल्ड मी बैक, लेकिन मेरे खराब ग्रेड्स ने मुझे रोक दिया. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज let down, let down. It's mean to disappoint someone. Okay, to disappoint someone, it's mean किसी से निराश होना, नाराज होना, किसी से निराश होना. Okay, let's understand how to use it in sentence. Rohan let down, Rohan let down Roy, Rohan let down Roy when he arrived, arrived, arrived late. Okay, it's mean Rohan let down Roy when he arrived late. It's mean in Hindi, देर से पहुंचने पर रोहन ने राय को निराश कर दिया. लेट डाउन, डिसअपॉइंट, निराश करना. लेट्स सी, let's see the last one. Wait out. Okay, it's mean to wait until an event to or period is over, period is over, over. It's mean in Hindi, किसी समय या किसी समय या अवधि पीरियड के समाप्त होने तक प्रतीक्षा करना, इंतजार करना, प्रतीक्षा करना. Okay. To wait until an event to or period is over. किसी समय या अवधि के समाप्त होने तक प्रतीक्षा करना, वेट करना, इंतजार करना. Let's understand how to use this phrasal verb in sentence. They decided wait out the rain wait out the rain before going on a walk on a walk. They decided wait out the rain before going on a walk. It's mean in Hindi. उन्होंने तय किया, डिसाइडेड फैसला किया कि बारिश खत्म होने तक का इंतजार करेंगे, फिर टहलने जाएंगे. बिफोर गोइंग अ वॉक. So it's all about my today's session, and I am sure you must have liked this session, and I hope you must have understood the concept of phrasal verbs. Okay, so it's all from today's session. Definitely I am going to come with another informative videos. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye. See you soon in my next videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, guys. Thanks for watching.